OpenClaw is viral. We have covered it on the channel from every angle. One of the frequently asked question was how to get it installed easily. So in this video, I am going to show you one of the most easy way to get it installed in no time with minimal cost possible. In this video, we are going to see how to deploy OpenClaw on simple application server in Alibaba's cloud. In no time, no coding required, no complex setup, just click deploy and go. First step, let's go to Alibaba's website and I will drop the link in video's description. From there, just log in. You can also go for the free trial and then in the search box, just click on simple application server. Once you do that, you will be on this screen. Click on create a server. Once you click on create server, you will be presented with this screen. For the purpose of this OpenClaw, simply just select general purpose, just $8 a month. Make sure that you have 2 GB of memory because that is required for OpenClaw. Then for application images, just go with Maltbot. Maltbot is a previous name of OpenClaw, which was also called as CloudBot. Just select any region closer to you. I am in Sydney, Australia, so I'm just going to go with Singapore. Quantity 1 is fine, and you can just select it for 1 month, should be good enough. And I'm not going to enable the auto renewal. Once that's done, that's all you need to do. You just click on buy now. Let me do that. And once you click on buy server, you can see that your server for CloudBot or Maltbot is already running within few seconds. So OpenClaw is now running on this server and we didn't have to really do any installation or any effort. At its core, OpenClaw runs as an LLM powered agent, which means it can interpret natural language, maintain context, and autonomously execute tasks across platform. This foundation is what really makes OpenClaw more than a chatbot. It's a true automation assistant. To unlock its full potential, OpenClaw needs to be connected to a model provider, and that is where Alibaba Cloud's Model Studio comes into play. Model Studio provides enterprise-grade LLM backbone that OpenClaw taps into, ensuring reliable performance, scalability, and access to cutting-edge AI models. So again, I'm already logged into my Alibaba Cloud, and from there I have gone into Alibaba Model Studio. Again, it's a very simple process. All you need to do in the search box, just type Model Studio, and then you should be able to click on it and go to Model Studio. You'll be faced with this screen. Now from there, when you're in the Model Studio console, you can create an API key by navigating to the left, and you can just simply click on make your first API call to Quen. When you will click here, you will be presented with this screen. From there, just simply click on key management and you will be presented with this screen. You can create an API key. I already have created it by simply clicking on it. It's a very simple process. That's it. Just click on create and it will create an API key for you. So for now, we need to configure that OpenClaw instance with this API key. So I'm just going to copy this API key, go back to where my instance is, and let's click on this instance. Once you click on it, you will be presented with this screen, and then just click on application details tab, this one, click on one click enable, and I want to confirm to enable it. And now once we are there, we need to click on this run command, and this is where we can paste our API key. So let me do that. Once you have pasted it, let's click on next. And our OpenClaw is now integrated with our API key in Model Studio. And I have clicked on next here. And last and final step is to just click on access website, click here, and it is going to build that website URL for you. Let's wait for it. Takes a few seconds. Click on this interface and this is going to open it, the OpenClaw dashboard for you. You can chat with the model, you can add skills here, you can add notes, and you can have multiple sessions to your heart's content. And behind the scene, Alibaba's celebrated models are being used. The Quen family, which we have covered a lot on the channel, You can see that you can just chat with it, you can assign tasks, and you can do a lot of automation, which we already have covered on the channel. So all in all, you just saw that how easy it is to run OpenClaw, you know, without any coding, without any dependencies, without any installation. It is installing it locally is great for testing, but the moment you want it always on, always available, and hassle free, I think Alibaba Cloud Simple Application Server is the way to go. No more worrying about your laptop sleeping, no more dependency conflicts, no more hardware limit. You don't have to rent a GPU or really own a GPU. Just a reliable, scalable environment starting at just $8 a month. And I will drop the link in video's description so that you can also have fun. And the best part is that you can also claim 1 million free tokens per coin model on Alibaba Cloud's Model Studio, and you will find the link in video's description. So that's it. Let me know how you go with it. Any issues, any problems, put it in the comments. Happy to help out. Again, please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Thank you for all the support.